Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, yesterday we have done reading of chapter Brer Rabbit Goes Fishing. Today we will do its words meaning and back exercise. Okay, so let's start. The first word is patch. Patch mean a piece. Second, rubbish. Rubbish mean bad or awful. 3. Nap. Nap mean a short period of sleep. Number 4. Splash. Splash is a sound of liquid hitting something. Number 5 is drown. Drown mean to die underwater. Number 6. Prank. Prank means a trick. Number 7. Sneak away. Sneak away means to leave. Number 8. Leap. To jump. Number 9. Jerk. Jerk means a sudden movement. Students, if you have your missing work, as you know that we are doing revisions, so if you have missing work of your English literature, so now you have some time to complete your missing work. Okay, so note down it very neatly on your English literature notebooks and also learn these words meanings. Okay students, now open your read now book, page number 66. Can you tell? Question number 1. Brer Rabbit was digging with a spade in this story. Okay, so find the missing words. Mother cut the loaf of bread with a knife. Okay, B part, the barber cut his hair with a pair of scissors, because we cut our hair with scissors. The teacher wrote on the board with a piece of, your teacher wrote on the board with a piece of chalk. The joiner struck the nail with a hammer. E. The grocer weighed the cheese on his, where we weighed vegetables or fruits, on his balance. The grocer weighed the cheese on his balance. Okay students, question number 2 is, these fish are of different sizes. Place them in order. Smallest first. Guppy, shark, goldfish, swordfish, red snapper. So we will arrange them according to their size. So the first number is goldfish, second guppy, number 3 snapper, number 4 swordfish, and number 5 shark. Number 3, a bucket is used to hold water. So which of these are used to hold water? Bag, kettle, basket, bath, basin, tumbler, envelope, box, cupboard, or boiler. So which of these are used to hold water? Kettle. In kettle you can hold water, in tumbler and in boiler. Name different kinds of fish which are sold in fish shops. So rohu and tambra. These are the name of fishes which are sold in fish shops. The farmer got his water from the well. How do you get water at home? Obviously we get water from water pump. And where does it comes from? From the earth. Okay, question number 6. It was summer and the sun was very hot. A part, name the seasons we experience. So you will write the answer here because here is a lot of space. Winter, autumn, summer and spring. Okay, these are 4 seasons in Pakistan. B part, which season do you like best and tell your reason, tell why. Students, you can write the season that you like most, but I like spring season, so I write about spring. I like spring season because flowers bloom on plants. Okay, C part, Which time of day do you like best? Tell why. Okay, which time of day do you like best? Do you like morning time? Do you like uh, noon? Do you like afternoon? Do you like evening? Do you like night times? Which time you like best? So I like night time. You can write here also your own favorite time. Okay, I like night time because I finish my work at noon, so this is my free time. That's why I love and I like night time. Students, if you have missing work, because we are revising this chapter, so if you have missing work, just complete this book exercise also very neatly on your book, and also learn it for uh, your exam preparation. Okay, so take care. Allah Hafiz.